guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be recreating the Kim Kardashian Met Gala makeup look that Makeup by Mario did on her. It was to me it was kind of like a very black, kind of like smoky eye, and everything was just black with some warmer undertones to it on the crease. So nothing too crazy, something very simple but yet so bold and so beautiful. I absolutely loved Kim's Met Gala dress, and I loved her makeup look. So I definitely wanted to like mimic and recreate that look, and also like I'm wearing kind of like a gold dress as well to kind of mimic the one that she was wearing with the straps and stuff like that. So this is going to be a recreation of Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys like this video and that you like it enough and you like me enough to go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification button so that you are notified each time that I upload. I will list all my social media links down below. I'm currently on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like this video, and comment down below what was your favorite Met Gala look and which one you think stole the show. And if you want me to recreate another one, I was also going to recreate Rihanna's look, so if you do want to see that on my channel, then definitely leave it down below in the comments. I'll list every single product that I use in this video in the description bar below. Sometimes it takes me a little bit more than usual, but it's a lot going on. So yeah, definitely keep on the lookout for the description bar below. All the products will be there. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Hey guys, so I already did my eyebrows and I just like bronzed a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I bronzed my skin a little bit with the bronzing lotion from Loving Tan. I don't have a tan right now. I'm currently like as pale as can be, so that's why I decided to do that instead for this video, because I really wanted to record this video and get this out there today. Hopefully I will be getting this video out today, if not today, tomorrow, but fingers crossed for today. First thing I'm going to do is start off with bronzer instead of an eyeshadow. I'm going to move on to my ANASTASIA eyeshadows. I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt Orange, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Bengal, which is this pretty brown type of like shade here. And then we are going to be using the shade Barcelona Beach by GEEK, which is this brown right here. I'm going to be mixing both of the shades together, pretty much mix burnt orange and then Bengal together when I'm using a Morphe M513. I'm also going to be dragging that down to my lid, and I'm keeping it really light where you can't barely even see it, because in the look that she has in the picture, you could only pretty much see like the black eyeliner. You can't really see any of the other shades peeking through, so I want to keep it that way, or at least try to keep it that way, because I get too excited with browns, I just start going in. So now I'm going to move on to Makeup Geek Barcelona Beach, and I'm going to apply that on my lid first and then work my way up to my crease. Pretty much what I am going to be leaving my eyes at, very like neutral wash of color, nothing too crazy. Where we're gonna go in is going to be on the eyeliner. We're going to be smoking it out, making it super black, so that's where we're going to be focusing on today. Liner today, I'm going to be taking the Pro Angled Liner Sephora 22 brush. Now you're just going to take any black eyeshadow that you have and a pencil brush and start pretty much like smoking this out. So now that my liner is completely done, I'm going to take a little bit more bronzer and I'm just going to pass that all over, including where the liner is. And do the same thing on the other side. For lashes, I'm going to take the OG lashes in the style 13. This is the box right here. These lashes are very, very full and wispy as well, just like Kim's were. So I'm trying to mimic kind of like the lash that she had on. Lashes dry, we're going to pretty much prep. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I really love this brightening under eye corrector, but today we're going to need it more than ever because when using dark eyeshadows, you really want to keep your under eye like not super light, but somewhat lighter than you normally would, because of the fact that the darker eyeshadows and eyeliners can tend to make your under eyes also look dark. I'm going to be mixing two foundations. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever HD in the shade 173, and I'm going to be taking the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the shade Olive. I'm going to be mixing these two together. One is too dark, one is too light for me right now. So I'm going to be mixing them together. They photograph beautifully, and the main thing about foundations when they use them on like celebrities is pretty much that they photograph beautiful and they don't have any flashback. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking the concealer that Mario used on Kim, which was her new KKW concealer, and I'm taking it in the shade 6. He actually took it in the shade 7. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the KKW Bake in the shade number 1. I'm just going to press all this powder into my skin for right now. We'll do all the baking later when we go back to under eyes. Set my entire face. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna brush like this and then just start patting it all over my skin to set everything. I'm going to be taking my favorite at the moment, the BECCA Capri Coast Sunlight Bronzer, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be taking my favorite bronzing brush, which is the Morphe M530. Next, I'm going to be taking the Sonia KASHUK Goddess bronzer, and it's like a beautiful gold type of like bronzer, like it has gold in it and all over our face. We have to look super bronzed and glowy today. I'm going to be just putting powder underneath and chiseling out my cheekbones. blender underneath my eyes. Just going to be taking any black liner that you have at home. I'm personally going to be using the new Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. So I'm just going to take the bronzer and I'm going to tap off the excess and start pretty much like blending this out and connecting it a little bit with the eyeliner, and then just blend that out pretty much a lower lash line. I'm going to go in with my MAC Giga Black mascara. And this blush is literally gorgeous. Later today, I'm going to be taking the new VLADA MUA x Smashbox highlighter. And this is the shade right here. So beautiful. This packaging is literally everything. So it's going to be like a first impressions to this kind of. Let's see how it works. Ooh, this is super pretty. It has more of a like rose gold type of like color to it. It's still very pretty, but I want something a little bit more gold. I didn't take my L'Oreal highlighter. I'm going to be mixing Coco Loco and Peach Stock by MAC. Over top, I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors times Katie and Desi collection over the top gloss and placing that just right in the center.